Seventh problem, state whether each of the following statement is true or false. So we have to say which of these is true and false. So before starting this, they have given that this set is disjoint or joint, like that. For saying this, the given sets are disjoint, we have to remember this rule. If two sets are disjoint, that means they will not have anything in common. That means their intersection will be null set. Null set means there is no element. So if two sets are disjoint, then the intersection means the same, there is no element same in between these two sets. So that is, it is a null set. So let us start. Let us solve the first bit. So what is given? 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection 3, 6. So intersection means the common element between these two sets. So that is 3 is common. So that means it is not empty. So it is not a null set. Null set, it is a symbol of null set. So it is not a null set. So null set means it is disjoint. So it is not a disjoint. If it is equal to null set, then it is a disjoint. So here there is element in between these two sets. So we can say that this is joint, not disjoint. So first one is given statement is false. Next is second bit. Two sets are given, A, E, I, O, U. Intersection A, B, C, D. So intersection means the common element. So what is common? A. So some element is there. They have said that this is disjoint. Disjoint means there is no element. But element is there. So it is not a null set and it is not a disjoint. So therefore, given statement is false. Next, let us do the third bit. What is the third bit? 2, 6, 10, 14. Intersection 3, 7, 11, 15. So they said that this is disjoint. So is there any element common in between these two? No. So that means the intersection is empty set. So when it is empty, that means it is disjoint. So therefore, given statement is true. Next is fourth bit. So what is the given sets? 2, 6, 10, intersection 3, 7, 11. So is there any common element in between these two? No. That means it is a null set. So they said that these are disjoint, and we have seen that it is a null set. Null set means it is disjoint. So therefore, given statement is true.